Hi, welcome to Beyond 50. I want to put this video together to tell you a little bit about me and give a quick intro into the channel, what it's about, and what you'll find. I've spent the last 25 years working in the tech industry, about 15 years at Microsoft, and then about 8 years at Amazon. I also just turned 50 over the last year, and both of my kids have recently completed their undergraduate degrees. And then this last January, I hit the big reset button. I made a major life decision and I decided to quit my job at Amazon, and I effectively laid myself off. Now that I'm no longer in the thick of parenting or caught up in the daily grind of tech work, I've got this amazing opportunity to really do whatever I want. And that's been a big part of the inspiration for this channel. I had originally started this channel with the idea that I was going to work on DIY projects. I was going to give tech tips and gear reviews and go over the things that I really love to do, which is, playing with gadgets and building and repairing things around the house. And some of that stuff's in the channel already. There is, I've got my truck review for the F-150 Lightning. I've got the Burton snowboard binding review, and I've got some other stuff of me having my septic tank pumped and having to dig that out to find it. As I had stepped away from work, something that I wasn't really expecting to happen happened. I had these opportunities to travel a lot more, and it felt like that should also be shared on the channel. And so when my wife and I went to Belize, or when I took this recent trip to China with Frank, those adventures really just kind of opened up a new direction for this channel. So now, Beyond 50 is about more than just DIY and tech. It's also about living fully after 50, staying active, exploring new places, trying new things, and showing that this stage in life can be just as adventurous and rewarding as any other. So whether it's about home improvement or gear reviews or just figuring out what life looks after a big transition, I hope you find something here that resonates with you. And my cat's on my desk. Bob, what are you doing, bro? So thank you for checking out Beyond 50. If any of this sounds interesting, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me in this journey. Bob, come here, buddy. What are you doing? You're killing me, dude. I'm trying to work here, man. All right. This is Bob. Bob, dude, what are you doing? Oh my God, get out of here. You're crazy. Bob will also make the occasional appearance on the channel. He likes to destroy things and complain a lot.